Today we're going to discuss the health benefits of a Mediterranean diet as we prepare some dishes that are well known to the region. But just before we do, I want to share with you some exciting research that helps support eating this way. Studies show that following a Mediterranean style of eating can reduce risk factors linked to your heart, such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome by 30%. And if you're someone living with type 2 diabetes and heart disease, following this pattern of eating has been shown to reduce your risk of dying from cardiovascular causes by 50 to 70%. That's amazing. So what is the Mediterranean diet? The key principles of a Mediterranean diet include olive oil as the main source of cooking fats, plenty of vegetables, salad, and fruits, legumes like chickpeas, lentils, beans, nuts and seeds, whole grains, fish more often, and less of meat, dairy, and poultry, and wine in moderation. So today we're going to make a few dishes to show you how to put all the principles of a Mediterranean diet together. So let's get started. As our main entree today, we're going to make a delicious baked trout served on a bed of long grain brown rice.
The rice, we're using a beautiful basmati rice, long grain. So one of the tricks with rice is to rinse it in cold water prior to boiling. We are going to use 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, brown it up a bit, then we're going to put it in the water and let it boil.
Perfect. So long grain brown rice is considered a whole grain, which is again part of a heart healthy diet and also in line with the Mediterranean diet. And so it's unique and offers these health benefits because it's low in the glycemic index, which means it takes a longer time to break down and convert into energy or glucose in our system. So that's what we're cooking today.
So we're going to brown the rice for a few minutes in the extra virgin olive oil. You can hear it sizzling there. And the last thing to add, water, stir it up, and we're going to let it cook away. The main event is our beautiful whole trout. So to make the marinade for this trout, very, very simple once again. Some extra virgin olive oil. Pretty much our standard.
Yes, it is. And again, this is the oil that's used most often in a Mediterranean diet.
Lemon juice. There again, I chopped up the fresh garlic. You can buy at the store, already minced garlic. I think this is a better bet. And then we're going to add Greek oregano.
Great aromas there, David.
Thank you. So now that we've got all the ingredients in here for our marinade, from there we will marinate the trout.
So one of the main benefits of including a fatty fish like trout is that it gives us these omega-3 fats, which are really important fats to include as part of a heart-healthy diet. Why are they important? They're really important because they may play a role in reducing levels of inflammation in our system. That, along with including an overall more plant-based diet. Canadians on average don't get enough in the way of omega-3 fats, so the recommendation is include a fatty fish, whenever possible, at least 2 to 3 times a week.
Now that's awesome, and in marinating this fish, as you can see, I've been very, very generous. But I also poured some of the marinade inside, so it will really get into the flesh of this trout. Just prior to putting it into the oven, squeeze some fresh lemon juice. It keeps it nice and tender, and it will really bring out the flavors from the marinade that we used. So we are ready to go. Oven's at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will cook for about 35-40 minutes. Okie doke, I think our trout is ready. Smell it.
That looks great and smells incredible.
There we go. So here we go, it's all yours.
Perfect, thank you, David. So here we have baked trout. Remember, the Mediterranean diet is more than just about the principles that are included in this diet. It's really about where and how we eat food. So sitting down at a meal, enjoying the meal, taking your time without distraction. Make cooking and eating healthy a way of life. Bon appetit.